It can be a very difficult decision to remove a member of your family from your will completely, or to arrange that they receive a drip-fed income rather than a lump sum. But often it's necessary for many different reasons. But once the decision is made, it's essential to understand that just writing them out of the will or requesting that they only receive an income is not sufficient. It has to be done properly. If a child is simply cut out of a will, the law enables them to claim, and depending on which part of the country you live in, they may have the right to claim for up to 20 years. And that can cause huge problems, and whenever claims are made, not only does it take a long time to settle and cause massive stress and difficulty for the family, but legal costs can run away with and decimate the value of the inheritance. And in these circumstances, the major beneficiaries are the lawyers, and that's the last thing anybody wants. Fortunately, there is a simple and inexpensive solution. By setting up a McClure's Family Protection Trust, not only can you protect your main assets and ensure that only those who are supposed to inherit do inherit, and in the way you want them to inherit, but there's also many other ways that your family will also benefit. For example, a McClure's Family Protection Trust will also prevent you from landing an inheritance tax bill on your children or grandchildren, which is the last thing that anybody would want to do. You will also save them from having to pay the £5,000 plus, which it can cost to complete and submit the complex legal, tax and financial paperwork, which has to be submitted whenever a person dies. And this paperwork can easily take a year or more to settle, whereas with the McClure's Family Protection Trust, there is no cost, and everything can be settled in just a matter of weeks. And not only that, perhaps the biggest advantage of all is that by arranging your McClure's Family Protection Trust for any of these reasons also means that in the event of you going into a care home, the council will have the responsibility to cover all the costs, thereby protecting all the assets, so your family get what they're supposed to get. So if you wish to prevent or manage the way a family member inherits, take advantage of the McClure's free and no obligation estate planning health check, so that you can clearly understand the options which are open to you and make an informed decision. So go on, pick up the phone now or email us, and we can arrange to have that discussion. And just as a matter of interest, if a McClure's Family Protection Trust is the right solution for you, we'll even write your will for free.